I'm Brian Van, sportbiketrackgear.com, and today we're going to install a set of spools on our 2018 Kawasaki Ninja 400 STG project bike. We're not only going to install them, but odds are a lot of folks that are buying this bike, you may be a new rider. We're going to talk about why these are important and the things this allows you to do when you're servicing your bike. Okay, this is a really easy bolt-on, right? So let's focus on why you need these. They're gonna bolt right on the boss there in the swing arm, one on each side. These are meant to be used with a rear stand that will grab onto these and allow you to lift and support the rear of the bike safely. From there, you can do tire changes. It's really beneficial when you're doing stuff like oil changes, any type of maintenance service, drivetrain service. You got the wheel off the ground, you're able to spin it, clean, adjust, lube the chain, all those things that are really important. We're going to show you the Woodcraft rear stand. There's two brands here that we really recommend. We recommend the Pitbull stands and the Woodcraft. They're excellent quality, made here in the US. You're going to spend a few bucks more for these up front, but they're going to serve you better, lift the bike a lot more stable, okay, which is really important. And these products will be able to be moved forward if you move on from this bike to another one down the road. You'll just keep the stand and you'll lift that next bike with it. Okay, to install them, really simple. We're gonna put just a little bit of blue thread locker on here. Don't want these to find their way loose and fall out on the road, or if you're at the racetrack, lose it while you're out on the track. You come back to lift it with your stand and you find out, man, I'm missing a spool. And for these particular driven D-access spools, I've got a 6mm T-handle. Like I said, very basic. You know, the reason we're doing this is I think that a lot of folks that buy this bike, this may be your first bike, so you might not be familiar with all these little bolt-ons and understand why you should or should not use them. Obviously, the other side is a mirror image. You know, when it comes to the stands too, there's a lot of temptation to just go out there and buy some garbage knockoff. Okay, we have a whole The Truth About Stands motorcycle video. We got a feature on our webpage because I just started to get a little frustrated with some of the garbage that was out there for sale and decided to show people the difference between the quality products and all the shit to try and help you make a good informed decision. This Woodcraft stand is actually adjustable in height, which is kind of unique. Odds are you'll have to adjust the stand to the width of the swing arm. This stand happens to be set up at a width that's pretty decent. And over here on this side, you know what, it could come in a little bit. Let me show you how we're going to do that. You're able to adjust this one, and you're also able to adjust the Pitbull stands for width. And so it's not really a one-size-fits-all kind of gig. Like so. And it lifts the bike in a real stable manner. You're able to sit on the motorcycle, move around a bit. This is really high right now. I had this set up, I believe, for the R1 that we had here. With this Woodcraft stand, I'm actually able to make an adjustment because you only really need that tire to come off the ground, let's say like maybe 1.5 inches. Okay, so I'm going to adjust the height, come back, and show you how easy the lifting effort is. Okay, I lowered each of the uprights, and you can see that that has a pretty serious impact on lifting effort, right? The higher it has to lift it, the more difficult it is, and that's one of the advantages of this particular brand. You're able to really dial that in. So, to recap, use Loctite. You want to make sure they stay in place. Why are we putting them on the bike? It's not just because they look beautiful. It's going to allow you to do a lot of those services that you're going to want to and need to do down the road in a professional and safe manner.